In this video I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to analyze Excel files and to output the analysis, to suggest feedback for the data which you have, and it truly works in a very impressive fashion. Let's have a look at this Excel file. So this is an overview of YouTube videos which a YouTuber called Bree Does AI has done related to ChatGPT and Notion. And I have collected the data of your views on the individual video titles which she has done and the months this title has been online. What I'm interested in is to know how many views per month she has done and what video on each video and which videos performed best. Now keep in mind this is just an example and you could analyze any kind of data using ChatGPT. Also, please do keep in mind that you are uploading the data to a foreign entity. So if you are working within a company and you are looking to analyze Excel, please make sure that this is within your allowed company guidelines. Let's get started. This is a ChatGPT window, and here I am going to click on this clip here to upload the file from my computer. Here is my example input. And now I'm going to paste a prompt. So while it's starting to work on it, don't worry that it says unable to display visualization. Briefly, I'm going to read the prompt for you. So I'm attaching a spreadsheet. Can you please add a new column into which you add a formula for calculating the views per month on each video Bree did? As you see, it started analyzing. After you've done this, create a copy of a sheet, name it by views per month, and sort the entries by views per month. Calculate the total views per month Bree had, then add a new column where you show the percentage of views the individual video contributed to the totals. Answer the following questions. What are Bree's top 3 videos seen from a views per month perspective? How much did they contribute to the total views per month in percent? What are her bottom 3 videos from the views per month perspective? Can you form 5 suggestions what videos would probably be a good choice to make next for her YouTube channel? Output the new Excel file for me. So before we go into the results, just a couple of notes. As you see, I'm giving it step-by-step instructions what I want it to do with the Excel file. The other thing is that I am requesting a new Excel file to be generated. Also, I am asking some follow-up questions, so what I'm interested in from the data. So I have it basically analyze the data, sort it, calculate, do calculations, and then I'm asking it to output questions which I'm interested in, so doing some data analysis here. And also I'm asking it to creatively suggest what could be the next step of the analysis from it. So it's a kind of all-in-one solution. Let's have a look at the result. So Bree's top 3 videos are supposedly how to use ChatGPT to easily learn any skill you want, learn any language, and 5 secret ways to become a speed learner with ChatGPT. Now I've done this calculation before manually here, which is sorted per views per month. So as you see, how to use ChatGPT easily learn any skill you want, learn any language easily, and 5 secret ways to become a speed learner, add up to a total of 80% on Bree's channel. Which is correct. So we have 46.99, 18.64, and 15.69. Yes, definitely. 150,000, 59,500, and 50,083. This is perfect, this is correct. And Bree's bottom 3 videos, as you can see, how to achieve your New Year's resolutions with AI, at indeed a 0.3% and just 917 views, how to start a YouTube channel easily with ChatGPT, and why you should stop reading more books and what to do instead. Suggestions for future videos are given. Focus on more skill-based tutorials using AI tools. Advanced language learning techniques, since learn any language easily performed really well for her. AI for professional and career growth. AI in everyday productivity hacks and trending AI technologies and applications. Now let's have a look at the Excel file. Click on the link where it says download file. Let's click on the output, and as you see, it has created and it has calculated the views per month, which I asked it to do, and then it has sorted by views per month. Actually, I'm going to open this in a new window so we can compare it side by side with gold standard data, which I have calculated myself. So let's have a look at line 10, for example. 3 actual realistic ways, 3,800, 5 months, 1.19%. Yeah, as you see, that is the way to use ChatGPT to analyze Excel files. And I would say this is rather impressive. So it calculated correctly, it followed the instructions, and it generated an Excel file which I could download. Now, of course, there are downsides to this as well, which I would like to point out, which is if I, as a human, create this kind of table, I actually use a calculation here, right? And ChatGPT just actually posts numbers, which you can see here. So basically, you don't get a calculation, but you get the actual numbers, which are correct. But if it was a calculation, then you could, I guess, have a higher level of trust. So when you use this, remember to do some calculation, data verification, and to not trust 100%. But when working with ChatGPT, try to work with it as you would with a colleague. So you instruct the colleague what you need, which sequence it needs to be done, what you're looking for, and you will be surprised at the results. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this and would like more about how to use Excel and how to accelerate your daily Excel workflow with ChatGPT and other AI tools, please leave a comment on what you're looking for and subscribe to this channel to make sure that when I create the video about the topic you're looking for, that you will be notified. Thank you and have a great day.